My newly remodeled solar-powered listing may look good from the front side, but just wait until you see the back side. The home sits in a highly sought-after neighborhood at the end of a cul-de-sac near the Los Altos border, within walking distance to top-rated Cupertino schools and close to relaxing Serra Park. Nearby, the Anza Square and Homestead Crossing Shopping Center offer convenience access to everyday essentials. It's also surrounded by major tech campuses with easy access to Highway 280, 85, and just minutes from downtown Los Altos. Now let's check inside. Inside, gleaming stone flooring leads you into a bright, airy open floor plan with soaring vaulted ceilings and multiple skylights that bathe the home in natural light. Just beyond the dining area, the kitchen features stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, generous cabinetry, and a charming pantry. The space then opens to a secondary dining area with a convenient wet bar, creating an ideal setting for entertaining, while a separate family room adds an extra layer of comfort and privacy. Before heading to the second level, we have a convenient half bath and a laundry room with washer, dryer, and a sink. Upstairs, you will find 5 sunny bedrooms with either hardwood or newer carpet flooring, plantation shutters, and spacious closets, along with 3 full bathrooms, including 2 en-suites. The luxury private suites features 2 walk-in closets and a newly remodeled en-suite bathroom with dual sinks, heated floors, bench seating, a jet tub, and a stall shower, all designed with a beautiful bedroom layout. And now for the part you've all been waiting for, the serene backyard. A true escape, designed to make you forget you're in the heart of Siliconvalley, featuring multiple decks and a peaceful pond with a 3-tier waterfall, perfect for relaxing, entertaining, and truly unwinding. That brings my tour to an end. I'm RENNA, your neighborhood realtor. If you have any questions, feel free to call at the number below. Also, be sure to click like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all my future listings. And I will see you this weekend. Bye now.